Okay, this is my friend's bike check, and we're going to run through the parts for her from the top to the bottom. So at the top we got ODR super soft bar ends in red, and grips and black bar ends both sides. Then we got the Fit Mach 2 bars, which is 29 wide and 8.5 high, good size. Then you got the Fit top load stem in red. You got the Fit headset. You got Fit regular forks with Fit FAF 2.25 10-roll tyre. Then you got Revenge single wheel front rim with Revenge hubs and 14G black spokes. And on the frame we have a Fit Mach 2 2013 21-inch top tube with a brown Fit MN3 pivotal seat. Then we got regular Fit two-piece cranks with exposure pedals and a salt bottom bracket. And then we have a regular Fit 2.25 10-roll tyre with a Cinema double wall back rim, Cinema hub and Cinema spokes. Then on this side we have a KMC red chain with Odyssey 27 tooth sprocket and a 9 tooth driver. Now we're going to do the drop test and the hub sound. So here's the drop test. Pretty dialed. And here's the hub sound. Pretty loud hub, and thanks for watching.